Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rakia Laltia and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super tasty flan chocolate cake. Like guys, this dessert is so tasty. So without further ado, let's dive into this recipe. We'll start by making our caramel. You're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar, let it to melt while you stir constantly until it turns golden brown color. Once golden brown color, you're going to pour it into a baking mold and then you're going to spread it, and then it's high time to make our pudding. Using the same pot, you're going to pour 1 cup of milk, which is approximately to 250 milliliter. Sprinkle some cardamom powder with 3 tablespoons of sugar. Warm up the milk for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then in another separate bowl, you're going to whisk 3 eggs, and then you're going to pour the warm milk. Whisk it for at least 1 minute until smooth. Once ready and smooth, you're going to pour the pudding into the caramel, but make sure the caramel has dried completely before you pour the pudding into the caramel. Making the chocolate cake, I'll be using 4 eggs, which I'm going to separate the egg yolks and the egg whites, and I'm going to whisk the egg white until soft and fluffy. Then I'm going to whisk the egg yolks, and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of sugar and vanilla sugar, and I'm going to continue whisking until it becomes soft like so. Then I'm going to add 50 grams of wheat flour into the mixture, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder plus a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and continue mixing until everything is nicely well cooperated. Using a spatula, you're going to make sure that everything is nicely combined, and then you're going to pour the chocolate mixture into the pudding, as you can able to see in the video, and cover it properly using an aluminium foil, and it's high time to bake it into the oven. So once ready, you're going to place the baking mold with the pudding into the tray with water, and then you're going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes until nicely baked. And after those 45 minutes, our pudding cake is ready, and you're going to remove it from the oven, and then you're going to let it to cool down completely before placing it into the fridge. So once it is cooled down completely, you're going to place it in the fridge for at least 2 to 3 hours until it becomes cold. And after the 3 hours, it's high time to turn our flan cake. Like guys, look at that flan cake, guys. It's turned out very good, and I'm going to cut it so you can able to see how soft it is. Like guys, it was so tasty, and I hope you guys are going to try this at home. And if you're going to try it, please kindly come back to the comment section and let me know. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and do share my videos and like my videos, and see you next time. Bye.